Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Myers, and I'm here with my patient Jay, who is 3 months out from a combined regenerative procedure on right knee arthritis. Before we talk to him, we're going to take a quick look at his imaging studies. Okay, so taking a look at his x-rays, this is a standing x-ray looking at both of his knees. His left knee has already been replaced. Looking at his right knee, he has this notable loss of space. Nice dark thickness of space here. This is the cartilage thickness on the inside. He has lost notable space, loss of cartilage. We call that arthritis. He also has some bone spurs above and below the joint. Switching to his MRI, he has this area of notable swelling, this bright area of swelling, fluid in the bone, weakening of the bone, arthritic change occurring inside the bone. And these bright areas of change on MRI can be notable generators of pain. To treat these bone arthritic changes, we have to inject into the bone directly. What that looks like is taking a needle right into the bone and injecting platelets from the blood right into this area of bone damage on MRI to get a healing response in the bone. Platelets release growth factors that can produce a healing response in arthritic bone changes. Okay, so here we are 3 months out from your procedure. Let's back up. What kind of issues were you having with the right knee before treatment 3 months ago?
Severe stabbing sharp pains, medial side, meniscus issue. I thought was arthritis, but it was pretty severe also on the outside of the joint as well. To the point, there were days where walking was, excruciating.
So on a scale of 0 to 10, thinking about your pain symptoms before treatment, how bad was the pain before treatment with normal activities?
9.
Okay.
And it was not 100% of the time, but I'd say 70 to 80% of the time, a 9.
So we did adipose stem cell procedure on the knee along with injecting platelets into the bone where you had some bone issues. We are 3 months out from your procedure.
Correct.
How bad was the pain during procedure? How difficult was the treatment itself?
We did it in 2 phases. We did the stem cell first, and it was literally the next day. I couldn't believe how much better I was. Even then, took it easy, but between that and when we did the PRP, it was like almost a new knee, And then once we did the bone injection, 2 days of sensitivity, but I bounced back from that faster than I thought I would. Again, maybe it was just the location and what happened, but I mean, I was very surprised how fast it popped back.
So here we are 3 months out from procedure. How are things going? How's the knee feeling?
Unbelievably good. I'm basically a 0 on pain, other than a couple of, heavy use issues, but it's doing great. I was told, hoping to get 80% use. I'm probably 85, 90, 95, somewhere in there. I feel that good about it.
So are there activities that are easier, more simple to do now than compared to before? Is the pain better with activities?
Walking upstairs is one big example, or walking downstairs. Either one of those is a breeze. I feel nothing now. It's, up and down is no problem. Mowing the yard, turning a lawnmower, doing that pivot, no problem. Sports, well, no problems. Swinging a golf club, no problem. Before, problem.
And so what about pain medication? Were you taking medicines? Were you needing medication before treatment? And what about now?
I was popping Tylenol. Well, before procedure, Tylenol and Advil were my best friends. I'm hardly taking any pain meds. If I do, it's usually for something else. Headache, shoulder, but the knee has not needed any pain meds since post-PRP.
And so do you feel like you made the right decision with your treatment for this
100%,
problem?
100%, no doubt. I would do it again in a heartbeat.
Thanks so much for coming in and telling me about your knee. Would you mind doing a couple of exercises for me?
Oh, absolutely.
You mind standing up for me without using your hands? Good. Pain?
0.
Can you step up on the step for me? Pain?
0.
Good.
Down. 0.
And then show me a squat.
With pleasure.
And back up. Pain?
1 at the extreme. extreme down.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So glad to see you're doing better.
I do it again. Thank you, Steve. It's wonderful. It is. I'm loving life.